Okay, let's discuss some examples related to slope of the tangent and slope of normal. Right? My question is find the slope of the tangent and the normal to the curve x square plus 3y plus y square is equal to 5 at point x comma y 1 comma 1. So that 1 comma 1 is my x1 y1. That is a passing point. So solution. So equation is given to me. I have to find out the slope of tangent. So I have to differentiate because one formula is dy by dx to find the slope of the tangent. So equation of curve is x square plus 3y plus y square is equal to 5. Differentiate with respect to x. So we get x square का derivative 2x, 3y is 3 dy by dx plus y square derivative is 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So 3 we can take dy by dx common plus 2y dy by dx will be equal to minus 2. So dy by dx will be minus 2 upon 3 plus 2y. So that is my slope. तो एग्जैक्टली अगर स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट निकालना है तो मेरे को ये पॉइंट फिल करना ज़रूरी है. तो आई विल राइट स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एट पॉइंट 1,1 इज x is 1 y is 1. If I fill here I will get dy by dx at point x 1,1 will be equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus 2. The value y is 1. So I will get minus 2 upon 3 plus 2. So it is minus 2 by 5. This is what? That is known as slope of tangent. So if I am to find out slope of normal, that will be minus 1 over slope of tangent. And what is slope of tangent? Minus 1 upon minus 2 by 5. So that will be 5 by 2. That is slope of tangent. This is how to find slope of tangent and the slope of normal just to differentiate and substitute the given points. Now next sum is show that the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 3 at the point x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. Okay, what is the condition of parallel? The condition of parallel is I'm going to write here the parallel condition, the slope of one line must be equal to slope of another line. And perpendicular condition, is slope of one line multiplied by slope of another line will be equal to minus 1. That is two lines are parallel, two lines are perpendicular. That is, these are the two conditions on the behalf of slope of tangents. Now what I am going to do, now he said tangent to the curve. Tangent mean tangent का meaning हो गया slope of tangent. Do remember one thing, whenever the question will be in the form of tangent to the curve, this means he is telling about slope of the tangent. So equation is given y is equal to 2x cube minus 3. There's a given equation. So I will differentiate it with respect to x. So I will get dy by dx is equal to 6x square and 3 से derivative is 0, that is 6x square. तो ये मेरे पास आ गई स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट जो उसने डिमांड की थी. ये तब तक कंप्लीट नहीं है जब तक ये पॉइंट फिल नहीं होते. नो दीज आर 2 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन. एक टाइम मेरे को 2 फिल करना है, सेकेंड टाइम मेरे को माइनस 2 फिल करना है. सो एट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 2, तो डी वाई बाई डी एक्स विल बिकम 6 into 2 square, which is 6 into 4, that is 24. Okay, on the second side x is equal to minus 2. I have to fill in the same number first. So dy by dx, that is slope of the tangent at point x is equal to minus 2, will be 6 into minus 2 square, which is 6 into 4, which is again 24. तो ये भी 24 आ गया, दूसरा भी 24 आ गया. सो ये भी स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट थी, दूसरी स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट थी. इफ स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट्स आर इक्वल then therefore they are parallel. तो ये पैरेलल की कंडीशन भी थी. लेट्स से दिस इज स्लोप m1, दिस इज स्लोप लेट्स से m2. सो m1 is equal to m2 is there, so therefore lines are parallel. Therefore tangent to the curve जो गिवन कर्व है मेरी एट पॉइंट x is equal to 2 and x is equal to -2 are parallel. Okay. Okay, next question is the slope of the curve. कुछ मेंशन नहीं है स्लोप किसकी है, टेंजेंट है कि नॉर्मल की. अगर ये नॉर्मल की होती तो पर्टिकुलरली मेंशन होना था. No, it is just slope of the curve, meaning he is talking about slope of the tangent to the curve. Curve, equation of curve is given. Let's say मैं कुछ एक रफ डायग्राम बना लूँ. This is slope, this is the curve, that given curve. इसका एक पॉइंट है यहाँ पे P पॉइंट 1, -1 और इस पॉइंट पे there is a slope of the tangent. So what I am going to do, and I have to, and it is also given, the slope of the curve is given to us -1 and we have to find the value of a and b. तो given तो है, okay, curve भी तो given है, तो I have to find out the slope of the tangent by differentiating it. So first of all, equation of curve is 2y square is equal to ax square plus b. Differentiate with respect to x, we get 4y dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus 0 because b is constant. तो dy by dx is equal to 2ax upon 4y. तो dy by dx is equal to ax upon 2y. ये आ गई स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट, बट तब तक कंप्लीट नहीं है जब तक पॉइंट नहीं फिल होता. सो एट पॉइंट 1 and -1 स्लोप इज ऑल्सो गिवन. ठीक है, एट पॉइंट 1 and -1 its given slope is -1. ओके, तो ये भी तो मेरा dy by dx है. तो dy by dx एट पॉइंट 1 -1 इज इक्वल टू, ये पहले मैं फिल कर दूँ, a इंटू द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज़ 1 अपॉन 2 इंटू द वैल्यू y इज़ -1. तो इट इज़ a अपॉन -2 एंड dy by dx मीन्स स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट इज ऑल्सो गिवन -1. तो -1 इज इक्वल टू a अपॉन -2 इम्प्लाइज द वैल्यू ऑफ a विल बी 2. तो a आ गया मेरे पास 2. अब रह गया b निकालना. ये जो कर्व है इसके ऊपर पॉइंट है 1 and -1 एंड कर्व की इक्वेशन भी तो गिवन है. तो ये जो पॉइंट है ये टेंजेंट के ऊपर ही तो लाई कर रहा है, लेकिन टेंजेंट तो कर्व के ऊपर लाई कर रही है ना. तो कर्व के ऊपर ये पॉइंट भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. सिंस p 1 and -1 lie on the curve first, let's say this is first, so it will satisfy the equation. तो 1 और -1 फिल कर दो नंबर फर्स्ट में. तो नंबर फर्स्ट इम्प्लाइज 2 इंटू -1 स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू a इंटू 1 स्क्वेयर प्लस b. तो 2 -1 स्क्वेयर इज 1 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस b. द वैल्यू ऑफ a इज इक्वल टू 2 प्लस b. द वैल्यू b विल बी इक्वल टू 0. तो ये मेरे पास आंसर आ गया. Okay, my next question is find the slope of the normal. Now this is normal to the curve. X is equal to, so what I am going to do to find the slope of the normal, first of all I have to find out the slope of the tangent. And what is slope of the tangent? dy by dx. So to find dy by dx, so x is given, y is given, mean implicit function is given. So parametric equation is given. For the parametric equation, what I have to do, differentiate with respect to theta. So if I have to differentiate, I will get dx by d theta is equal to a cos cube से derivative 3 cos square theta into derivative cos theta is minus sin theta. So I will get minus 3a sine theta cos square theta. On the other side, if I differentiate y, I will get dy by d theta is equal to a 3 sine square theta into derivative sine theta is cos theta. So it is 3a sine square theta cos theta. ये आ गया dy by d theta, second is dx by d theta. So now dy by dx क्या होगा? That will be dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So dy by d theta is 3a sine square theta cos theta upon its dx by d theta is 3a cos square theta into sin theta. A और a 3 cancel, one cos and cos, one sin and sin cancel out, so we are left with minus tan theta. That is dy by dx. Now what is dy by dx? Slope of tangent. But I have to find out slope of normal. तो क्या करें, पहले slope of tangent निकाल लें properly. तो I will definitely write slope of tangent at point theta is equal to pi by 4. That value is dy by dx is equal to minus tan pi by 4. जस्ट मैंने वैल्यू फिल कर दी. एंड व्हाट इज tan pi by 4? 1. तो मेरा आंसर आ गया dy by dx is equal to minus 1. I'm not going to write this. So that is slope of tangent, but slope of normal, that will be equal to minus 1 over slope of tangent, which is minus 1 over minus 1, which is 1. Slope of tangent is minus 1. Fill कर दिया, I will get 1. That is slope of normal. This is how to find slope of normal when slope of tangent is given or we have to find out. Okay, next very important question. Find the point on the curve x square by 9 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So curve की इक्वेशन गिवन है, मेन सिंपल सी बात, डेरिवेटिव तो करना ही पड़ेगा. At which tangent dy by dx is parallel to x axis, p part it is parallel to y axis. Let's deal these two topic later on. First of all, find out the slope of the tangent. So equation of given curve is x square by 9 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So straightforward differentiate with respect to x. We get x square is derivative 2x upon 9 minus y square is derivative 2y dy by dx upon 16 is equal to 1 का derivative 0. So 2y dy by dx upon 16 is equal to minus 2x by 9. So minus minus cancel out. So dy by dx will be equal to 2x by 9 into 16 by 2y. 2 cancel. So we are left with dy by dx is equal to 16x upon 9y. So that is slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent, dy by dx. And now a part पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. ये ज़रा ध्यान से क्लियर करो. दिस इज़ एक्स एक्सिस, दैट इज़ वाई एक्सिस. ये +1 में भी डिस्कस किया जाता है वैसे. इट इज़ पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. इफ़ ए लाइन इज़ पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस then that distance will always remains the same, and that distance is what? Y distance. So if y distance remains the same, so this means y will become constant. If y becomes constant, then what will be the derivative of y? 0, because constant का derivative तो 0 होता है. So therefore in a part, if it is parallel to x axis, so dy by dx will be equal to 0, right? So what is the value of dy by dx? Number first, 16x by 9y is equal to 0 implies 16x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 0. तो ये पॉइंट आ गया x 0. अब इस x को फिल कर दो गिवन कर्व में. लेट्स से दिस इज स्टार. तो टू फाइंड द वैल्यू y, पुट इन स्टार, वी गेट x square by 9. द वैल्यू, this is x square by 9 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1. So we get 0 minus y square by 16 is equal to 1, implies y square will be equal to minus 16. तो y square is equal to minus 16, क्या स्क्वेयर कभी नेगेटिव हो सकता है? That is impossible. That is impossible. That is not possible. So what can we say? So there is no point on the curve where tangent is parallel to x-axis. Hence, there is no point on the curve where tangent is parallel to x-axis. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, जो फर्स्ट पार्ट था वो तो क्लियर हो गया है क्योंकि कोई पॉइंट एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा. न कम विद द सेकेंड पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस, बी पार्ट पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस. अगेन डायग्रामेटिकली आपको क्लियर करूँ. पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस, इफ दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस, इफ अ लाइन इज पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस दैट विल बी लाइक दिस. तो दैट डिस्टेंस विल ऑलवेज रिमेन्स द सेम. That distance mean x distance. So x distance will always remain the same. Mean x is constant. Mean derivative of x will be 0. So derivative of x will be 0 mean here I have find out dy by dx. तो मेरे को dx over dy will be 0. Therefore dx by dy will be equal to 0, which implies, तो what is the value dx by dy? तो dy by dx है 16x by 9y. तो dx by dy क्या होगा? इसका रिवर्स 9y by 16x is equal to 0, implies the value y will be 0. y 0 आ गया. तो फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, इस y को स्टार में फिल कर देते हैं फिर से. तो स्टार इम्प्लाइज, तो वैल्यू वाज एक्स स्क्र बाय 9 माइनस वाई स्क्र बाय 16 इज इक्वल टू 1. तो पुट y इज इक्वल टू 0 हेयर. तो एक्स स्क्र बाय 9 माइनस 0 इज इक्वल टू 1, इम्प्लाइज एक्स स्क्र इज इक्वल टू 9, इम्प्लाइज x इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 3. तो x की वैल्यू आ गई. देयरफॉर पॉइंट क्या बन गया? प्लस माइनस 3 एंड द वैल्यू y इज 0, दैट इज 3,0 एंड माइनस 3,0. ये दो पॉइंट्स आए ओनली. Okay, if it is parallel to x-axis or if it is parallel to y-axis. I think everything is clear to now. What is slope of tangent, what is slope of normal, how to find it, and if it is parallel to x-axis or y-axis, that is to find out the points. Thank you.